Ki MLA jong kaseng All India Trinamool Congress mentakas ngi nyaw tarik no para arajar arhuai kila plong geding thang Mombati hapo khandai lat kum kadak ban kershan wat kan mau yaki khalangot ki riu pai ba ki bala siat yap ki sipai Assam Rifles hapo Mon district ke bahap hapo ke jalan Nagaland hakadan kabadan khaput bat kari Myanmar Aban kedong ni bagi ki khalangot ki riu pai ba kila siat yap ki sipai Assam Rifle hakapor bagi khandral no hakate ke district Dr. Mukul Sangma unong elam jogan de kaseng ula ong ba kita sibun ki jing ban wang ye ki kam leno ber ki kam kai khlau re ko ba ka janla ma khliar ro kalamat ye kan ka jing ne ki kam kai khlau ka shong hakamon ba ka jing kam jogan no sarkar ban wang ye kan ka jing
You're a new one. Yes. Precisely to look at different states. Different states have dealt with the problem of law and order, lawlessness, insurgency, terrorism. Okay, Meghalaya has shared its own problem. And we have effectively dealt with the problem of insurgency and problem of terrorism. It should be a case study for Government of India and for the rest of the country. And look at how this can be looked at and how they can be probably integrated in their approach. There is no single way of dealing with this kind of problem, but as I have said, it's a complex. It's required to be dealt with, after having understood the whole complexity of the problem and have a multi-prong, not just one action in isolation. Understanding the problem of insurgency and the challenges associated with dealing with insurgency and problem of terrorism must be understood. And only when they try to understand and to deal with them in a right perspective, then definitely they can have this political will, and there is no reason why there should not be a political will.